Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with Alexis Sanderson, and her grandmother was telling me how they have worked out their shower routine for Alexis. So we're going to keep her clothes on, but we're going to show her shower routine. So for Alexis, they have her sit on the edge of the tub, and then Alexis, can you pick up this leg and put it all the way in? Way to go, sweetie. Keep going, go, 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 go. If you lean her back a little bit, it makes it a little bit easier for that leg to clear. One at a time, please, ma'am. This one too. This one too. Thank you. And then in their shower, they have a grab bar here. This is such a perfect placement for her. When she stands in the tub, their tub has a texture on it that makes other things like the non-skid stuff not stick to it. So what they found is if they use a wet wash rag on the floor, that if she puts her feet on that, then her feet don't slide significantly and make her unsafe standing in the shower. Alexis really likes to stand in the shower. So Alexis, can you put your feet over here for me? We're gonna go 1 and put the other one on there, 2. Can you lean forward, sweetie, and grab a hold of that bar? Grab a hold. We need both hands holding on. Oh, you have to lean forward, Alexis. Alexis, Alexis, right here. And grab on with 2 hands. So in the shower, Alexis can stand, and we can have with the lower shower bar, shower head, we can shower her directly right here. She loves this. And then we can do the washing and cleaning with her right here, standing by herself. I can take care of everything, not me, but the grandmama does. And then when she's done, they put her full-size towel right here for her to sit back on. Coming back, sit down, and from there, they can use that towel. Again, it's be a bigger one than this one, to dry her off, and then when they're done, they can tell her to pivot her legs. We're getting out of the tub. Can you take this one first? Perfect. 1, and let's go. I see you. Keep going. Alexis, it helps if you look at what you're doing. This leg. 2, and then they were able to transfer out of the tub. I hope that's a helpful way for you to think about if you have a child similar to Alexis, similar size, similar skill, to be able to work on showering routine. I hope this is helpful. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.